Welcome to Enjoy Life 8888, where your thoughts create your reality. Let's align your mind with abundance and possibility. Abundance flows to me with ease and grace. Take a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. I radiate confidence, and success follows me. I am worthy of everything I desire. My manifestations are unfolding in divine timing. The universe works miracles in my life daily. I am constantly in alignment with my highest good. I welcome abundance in all forms. My thoughts create wealth, happiness, and success. I believe in myself and my ability to manifest my desires. The universe fills my life with endless blessings. I am fully supported by the universe. My financial abundance increases every day. I am attracting success beyond my wildest dreams. I celebrate the abundance already present in my life. My manifestations are coming to life right now. I release fear and embrace unlimited possibilities. My positive mindset brings me everything I desire. The universe constantly surprises me with new blessings. I am grateful. I am worthy. I am abundant. I trust. I believe. I receive. I am already living my dream life. I am confident in my ability to create my ideal life. I trust in divine timing. I allow myself to dream big and manifest freely. The more I give, the more I receive. I attract positive and uplifting relationships. I am deeply grateful for all I have and all that is coming. My life is a reflection of my thoughts, and I choose positivity. The universe showers me with blessings every day. I am open to new, exciting opportunities. My actions and intentions are aligned with success. I attract limitless possibilities. My desires manifest at the perfect time. I'm a powerful energy being creating my reality. I radiate gratitude and abundance follows. My success inspires others. I am financially free and secure. The universe brings me prosperity effortlessly. I am a magnet for happiness and fulfillment. I attract perfect health and well-being. I trust that the universe is guiding me to greatness. My success is inevitable. I am a beacon of positivity and prosperity. I visualize my success and it manifests effortlessly. My bank account grows every day. The universe provides everything I need. I attract supportive and inspiring people into my life. My manifestations unfold in perfect timing. I am fearless in the pursuit of my dreams. I let go of worry and embrace trust. The universe is always working in my favor. I am connected to the source of unlimited abundance. I attract incredible opportunities effortlessly. My mindset is a magnet for miracles. I am creating the life I desire. I am always at the right place at the right time. My energy is magnetic to success. Every day, I step closer to my dreams. I attract love, happiness, and financial success. My passion attracts endless opportunities. I celebrate every manifestation, big or small. I am aligned with the infinite possibilities of the universe. My heart and mind are open to receiving miracles. Every day, my manifestations get stronger. I effortlessly attract success and happiness. I am surrounded by wealth, love, and joy. The universe always has my back. I am worthy of all my dreams coming true. I attract powerful and positive energy. Everything I touch turns to gold. My mind is in perfect harmony with abundance. I manifest my goals with ease. I am constantly receiving signs that I am on the right path. The universe blesses me with unlimited abundance. I release doubt and welcome absolute certainty. I trust that everything is happening for my highest good. My energy is aligned with wealth and success. I attract abundance in expected and unexpected ways. Every cell in my body vibrates with positive energy. I am open to receiving wealth from multiple sources. I deserve financial abundance, and I claim it now. I am a natural manifester. My financial success is inevitable. I am becoming more prosperous every day. My actions are aligned with my highest good. I welcome financial abundance into my life. I release all resistance to receiving. The universe is abundant, and so am I. Every experience is bringing me closer to my goals. I am at peace knowing everything is working out for me. I attract everything I need to succeed. The more I believe, the more I receive. I embrace the flow of abundance. I am worthy of a joyful and abundant life. I attract opportunities effortlessly. I am grateful for the manifestations unfolding in my life. I am confident in my ability to attract my desires. I trust the universe's plan for me. I am surrounded by prosperity. I am always attracting what I focus on. I release limiting beliefs and embrace my true power. My energy is aligned with my deepest desires. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I attract love, joy, and fulfillment with ease. My vision board is becoming my reality. My vibration attracts my perfect circumstances. I am stepping into my power every day. I am always on the right path. I manifest success in all areas of my life. I am a magnet for happiness and prosperity. The universe is guiding me to my best life. I attract like-minded, supportive people. I have the power to change my life. My beliefs shape my reality, and I choose abundance. I deserve to be wealthy and successful. I trust myself to make the right decisions. My manifestations are already mine. I am deeply connected to the energy of abundance. Every thought I have creates my future. The universe is always responding to my energy. I am fearless in the pursuit of my dreams. I am limitless in my ability to manifest. I am grateful for the wealth in my life. The universe works in magical ways for me. My potential is infinite. I am attracting deep and meaningful connections. I manifest opportunities effortlessly. My vibration attracts prosperity. I am confident in my ability to manifest. The energy I give is the energy I receive. I am creating the life of my dreams. I believe in my ability to manifest anything I desire. The universe is always working for my highest good. I attract positive circumstances every day. I am worthy of unlimited success. The more I give, the more I receive. Abundance flows freely to me. My mind is a magnet for prosperity. I am constantly growing and evolving. I trust the divine timing of my manifestations. I am deserving of financial freedom. My manifestations are unfolding perfectly. I am attracting wealth, health, and happiness. My belief in abundance grows stronger every day. I am aligned with my true purpose. I deserve to live a life of joy and fulfillment. My intuition leads me to success. The universe always supports me. I welcome new opportunities with open arms. I have everything I need within me. I release doubt and trust my journey. I'm surrounded by positive energy. Everything I focus on expands. I attract uplifting people into my life. Success is my natural state of being. I let go of fear and embrace possibility. My thoughts are powerful and creative. My goals are within reach. I celebrate every small win. I am attracting my ideal life. My positive energy transforms my reality. I am a powerful creator of my reality. The universe responds to my thoughts and emotions. I attract abundance effortlessly. My desires are manifesting in perfect timing. Every day, I align with my highest potential. I radiate positive energy, and it returns to me tenfold. The law of attraction works in my favour. I am worthy of all the good coming my way. My dreams are becoming my reality. Money, love, and success flow to me easily. I trust the process of life. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. Everything I desire is already on its way. I vibrate at the frequency of success. I am open to receiving unlimited blessings. My thoughts shape my future. Every opportunity I need finds me. I am a magnet for miracles. The universe conspires to help me succeed. I am always in the right place at the right time. Our thoughts shape your reality. Choose them wisely. Keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep attracting greatness. If you enjoyed these affirmations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Enjoy Life 8888. Let us know in the comments what affirmations you'd love to hear next. Together, let's unlock a life of abundance, joy, and success.